Hello guys, good afternoon. It's Emmanuel, the CEO of Web3 Mexican Grille. I'm coming out to you because we're really close to opening. I'm thinking it's going to actually be May 25th. I just wanted to show you guys, we actually painted the restaurant. So it looks a lot different since the last videos that you guys seen. Let me just go ahead and take you around on the inside. It's pretty lit. So if you don't know who I am, like I said before, I'm the CEO of Web3 Mexican Grille. I just wanted to show you guys that, I just wanted to show you how we painted it. We left it looking real nice. Made this look all new. It used to be orange and like all thrown down, run down kind of, if you remember the last videos. I haven't posted in about a month. I already locked up. Well, I'll go ahead and unlock it again. Just to show you guys real quick. Going in. Alright. Okay, so just wanted to show you guys. Painted all this yellow, painted all that blue. Made that one as well, blue. Made this down there, blue. All that nice and blueness. We got some new equipment in here. Since we got that cleaned, some new equipment, new salad bars, stuff like that. Over there, getting a dishwasher machine. All this stuff. Some light on the subject. Nice and clean, nice and new. Nice and new. The closet with the desk. Alright guys, that was a really short video. I just want to show you the restaurant. Everybody's been working together really hard to make sure everything and all this is going to happen for everybody. We are the first Mexican restaurant to ever have NFTs in the world, and we're here in Tennessee, in Altamont, Tennessee. So come see us. Have a great day, guys. I love you.